Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A60 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Our first step to do it is opening Settings application. In it, we must tap on our first function, Connections, and there, Data Usage. In it, we tap on Buying Size and Data Warming, and there we can set our data limit. First step, we can set when our size starts, maybe first day of each month. There we can turn on and turn off our data warming, and we can set it in custom number in gigabytes, megabytes, what you need. Maybe we set 5 gigabytes. And the same story with data limit, we must turn on it by switch on and we can set it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.